In this short tutorial, I will show you how to stop people from seeing you viewed their profile on TikTok. Many users may want to browse profiles discreetly without alerting the account owner. By following a few simple steps, you can view someone's TikTok profile without them knowing. To get started, open up the TikTok app and then tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner. Then tap Settings and Privacy. Once you are on this page, tap Privacy. Then scroll down to the very bottom. Tap Profile Views. And then toggle off the switch next to the Profile View History option to stop people from seeing that you have viewed their profile. It's a simple and effective way to browse TikTok without leaving any traces behind. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.